Conrad Sangma ubelong Menteri Rangba Kamegalaya ula Shah Jied Biang kamu National President Keseng NPP claim the don longi le persha. Ya kani lapin bena da returning officer jong kani election u Abhishek Kashyap haga khat pratarik ukalaling kod arhaja R4R. Ringkat baru Conrad la Jied ru Thomas Sangma kamu General Secretary ubelong MLA Natura.
On each of the two positions, that is of the President and the National General Secretary. And it was my pleasant duty to declare them elected unopposed. The position of the Treasurer was declared as being vacant per force, and the situation now is that for the year 22 to year 25, we have conducted elections as required by our Constitution. And Mr. Conrad Kum continues to be the President, and Mr. Thomas Kum continues to be National General Secretary of the organization.
Henry Laban kado hang nebo Thomas Udon kamu kadama persyayu halor ke ija har jang kowe ke kentei bola le bi ijat yaka. Habala kado ya kani kinong tho khobor RiKhasi ulaya dayo Thomas da kaboong bakadai tang ke jingkeno bar ke yeng bishar kam patrai penram satyayu.
What you are saying is true, but there is a counter side to it. That the larger picture is that in our system of governance, democracy and constitutional law, a person is treated not guilty till found guilty. We cannot, even as a party, overturn that system and start treating a person stands up for election. At that point in time, he has all the qualifications necessary to be validly declared a candidate. I cannot go behind his valid candidature and say, I will, as a returning officer, that I will find his candidature invalid because there are 5 cases pending against him, or 1 case, or half a case, or he is missing. You know, there is another situation very interesting. I may not be the accused, but I may be accused of missing and not doing my duty in a matter where I may be a witness. And the court may have summoned me and there are warrants against me where I am witness to a heinous crime. So there are so many possibilities in law, but ultimately, am I guilty is determined only by the court's orders. A political party cannot start picking and choosing and declaring people as either guilty or having a whiff of guilt. What you are perhaps questioning me on is there a whiff of guilt in this particular candidate? And is that whiff of guilt not enough for us to have ignored his candidature?